Alright, Kreg adaptive cutting system. This is just a table, but I ordered the whole thing. Track, the saw, everything. They just piece it together. This box right here is pretty heavy for what it is. But I already cut the little pieces of tape. They had little pieces of tape all over on the sides, well secured. Now I did open this up. I didn't take anything out besides this booklet. I realized I wasn't recording like an idiot. That is really thick. Really thick cardboard for padding. Got the little plunger pieces there. There to fit in these holes. Put this stuff off to the side. That feels, doesn't have the greatest feel, but I don't know how much I'll be using that. Here, that's a sticker. Getting cast of a shadow here. Camera's a little blurry. There, focus. Oh well, not focusing. Got some goodies in here. Hardware to put it together. More stuff. Gotta say, they really packed it nice. Yes, nuts and bolts. Cast. Get 4 boxes of those. Right here's the last one. And then more thick cardboard for the padding. That way it don't get damaged. If you look at each end, they put some really nice thick cardboard here on the sides. That way nothing gets damaged. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh yeah, you can see them right there. Huh. Oh. Pretty excited about this piece here. It's going to make me a lot of money. Well worth it too. I think this is yeah, MDF, 1/4 inch or something. It'd be really hard to make these holes exact. It's glad it's one of the main things, the reason why I ordered this table. They're all perfect, every one of the holes. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for a little bit and look how to hook this thing up. Made a quick observation, but as you've seen me unboxing, those right there, I don't know where those little tires are, where the rod it would go in between it, the handle, or the bottom parts. Okay, my wife went and picked this up for me, so there's probably another box somewhere before I freak out. Alright. Oh, I think I see the rest of it. I'll be right back. I found it. A little out of breath, yanking the rest of the stuff over. There's the plunge saw. There's the track. Get another one of those. Now, I'm a little weary about this one because it looks like it was open before and somebody decided to tape it up, because that doesn't look like the rest of the boxes. It looks like my kids taped it together. You know, unlike the tabletop there, that was done pretty nicely, but I did cut it, so let me drop this. Alright, more stuff to see. This table's going to be 150, 200 pounds by the time I'm done. Gotta find my knife. There's the knife. I'm just going to pause this while I just knife this quick. Yeah, there's the part I was worried about. There they are. Yeah, they're pretty heavy too. It's plastic. No rubber on them. Not like I'm going to be doing smoky burnouts with it. It's more than enough. This is pretty well packed too. Doesn't look like this stuff was taken out of the package at all. Yeah. Not too bad. Scratches on it. Thought I hear something. Nope, that's just cardboard rattling around. Looks like I got some metal parts here. Jesus. Two of those. So this one's empty. Bear with me, guys. I know this. I don't talk much. I don't like editing. All sorts of hardware in that one. Oh, just dropped it. Yeah, it even comes with little wrenches. Looks like a spoiler mount for one of those Honda fart wings. Put on them Honda Civics and they going down the road. Yeah, it's a pretty big piece. Yeah. I'll say one thing, they did pack her up pretty good. I did have a part that was all scratched up, but yeah, I don't give a shit. Other than that, it looks pretty darn good. I mean, they even shrink wrapped these so they didn't flap around. You got some more metal bits here. This is in it. Just the whole bag itself. And I'm going to take it out of the bag. I don't want it to drop. Alright, well, that's basically it. I'm not going to make it a full video where I keep pausing it and, you know, putting it piece by piece here. I'm just going to make a separate video for all that, because it's going to take me forever. And I'm boring as hell, so I don't think you guys want to hear me bitching and moaning. Might have to actually start reading this Bible they have. This is crazy. That's madness. It's probably both English and Spanish. Yep, that's why. English and Spanish. Oh, that's good. Pretty excited about it. That is a pretty big table. That is a pretty big damn table. Next to my quarter cable cheap drill. Brushless. Decent size. Alright, I'll give up some more videos whenever I unbox the track and the saw, and I'll give a good review about this stuff, see how much I like it. I'm sure I'll love it. You know, if not, then I'll just have to deal with it, you know. It's like getting married. You just gotta deal with it.